welcome back. You're on Pro Learn It. Alright, so friends, today we're going to be talking about the right function, what we call the right function here in Excel. Basically, what this helps you do is this. If, for example, you have a given product IDs, as you can see over here, my column of datasets contains the product ID. Alright, so basically, friends, I'm going to be teaching you how we can use the right function to extract a particular subset of your text in here in Excel. Alright, so basically, friends, what I want to do right now is that I want to extract just the 4 numbers that are associated with this product ID. For example, sometimes you can get a country code or a phone number from a particular bunch of customers, and what you want to really do is to filter and know what country each person belongs to. Alright, so sometimes we want to just get the area code and not the phone number itself. Alright, so the area code can give us a picture. It can help us to predict what country an individual may belong to. Alright, so sometimes, friends, that's where the right function or the left function or the mid function becomes very much important. Alright, so at this juncture right now, friends, we don't want the letters. We don't want AJ, JN, VR. All we really want is just the numbers associated with this particular product IDs that we have over here. Now, it will become tedious if we start copying the numbers and pasting them over here, copying the number, pasting them, or typing the numbers over here. If, for example, we have lots of rows, it becomes very much tedious to go through such rigorous process. Alright, so first, basically what I'm going to teach you right now is how you can extract the number without wasting much of your time. Alright, so friends, at this juncture right now, I'm just going to click on this particular cell, right, and I'm going to say equal to, I'm going to say right. Alright, once you type in the function right, you see Excel pops out something called the right function. Alright, and then it tells you that it returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. Alright, so in other words, what it does is this: the right function. Let me just quickly show you what it does before delving deep into this. Alright, so the right function will extract. It will start counting from the back. Alright, start counting from the number 9, and then it's going to extract. For example, if you tell it to extract 2 numbers, it's going to extract the number 6 and 9. If you tell it to extract 3 numbers, it's going to extract the number 2, 6, and 9. And that's how the right function basically operates. It starts from the end of the particular text in this cell, right, and then starts counting it starts from the right and starts counting to the left. In other words, it starts from here and then it moves this way. Alright, so basically that's what the right function does. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's see how the right function operates. Equals to, I'm going to type in right, and then I'm going to open my bracket. Now it's going to ask me for the text where I want to extract this particular numbers from. So I'm going to click on this particular cell, put my comma sign. Number of characters I want to extract, I'm going to extract just the numbers. I'm going to type in a number 4. Alright, so I'm going to close in my bracket and click on enter. Now you can see over here, friends, I just have the numbers. I don't have the letters anymore. Just the number 0269 is what I've been able to extract from this product ID. Alright, so friends, you can see how easy it is to extract a particular set of or an entire text in here in Excel using the right function. So the right function, what it did was this: when I specified the function equals to right b5 4. Now what it does is that because I've specified the right function, it's going to start counting from the back. Alright, so it's going to count the number 9, it's going to preserve it, number 6 preserve it, number 2 preserve it, number 0 preserve it. And now because every text over here have the same number of lengths, right? Every number over here have the same number of lengths. If I just drag down over here, I'm going to get only the numbers and not the text. And you can see over here, friends, you can just go ahead and cross-check. What we have over here are just the numbers and the text are not included. So that's how we're able to extract just a particular set of our entire text contained in a particular cell here in Excel. Alright, so friends, let me just quickly do one more example. Right now, what I want to do right now is extract the last 3 numbers in the product ID. Now, what I'm going to get right now is that it's going to start counting from the back. It's going to count 9, count to 6, then count the number 2, and then it's going to stop. And so that's what the right function will do. It starts from the right and then move to the left. Alright, so I'm going to just type in equal to, and I'm going to say right, open my bracket. Now I'm going to type insert the text, which is, I'm going to click on text. Alright, that is B16. This particular text, I just click on it, it gets highlighted. I put my comma sign, friends. Then the number of characters I want to extract just 3 numbers. I'm going to type in the number 3. Now I'm going to close my bracket, click on enter. You can see over here it extracts 3 numbers, and if I just drag down, I'm going to get 3 numbers extracted from this product ID, beginning from the right to the left. All right, so basically, friends, that's how the write function operates. All right, so the write function, we request that you insert one, the text, and then a number of character, basically. All right, so that's how these are the two specifications you must have, or you must specify to the write function in order for it to effectively operate. All right, so friends, without wasting much of your time, I'd like you to practice what you've learned concerning the write function in your worksheets.